Wow, it's more crowded than I expected today.
Yeah, it looks like everyone decided to shop at the same time.
Seriously. I can barely move my cart through the aisle.
Same here. Maybe we should take a short break.
Should we grab a drink first? I'm already thirsty.
Good idea. Let's get iced coffee.
You read my mind.
I always do.
I think we'll need the caffeine. We still have a long list to get through.
True. And we should hurry before the lines get even longer.
Okay, coffee first, then serious shopping mode.
Deal. Let's go.
This coffee is perfect.
You always say that about iced coffee.
Because it's always true.
Fair enough. So, what store do you want to check out first?
Maybe the clothing store on the second floor. I saw a cute sweater there last week.
All right. Just don't disappear while shopping.
No promises. You know I get distracted easily.
Yeah, last time you wandered off and I spent 10 minutes talking to a mannequin.
To be fair, it was wearing a nice outfit.
Still creepy.
Okay. I'll try to stay within your line of sight.
Good. Because if I lose you, I'm just going home.
Wow. Abandoned for shopping too much. Ethan, look at this sweater. Isn't it cute?
Yeah, it's very you. Soft, cozy, and a little too cute.
Hey, I'll take that as a compliment.
It is a compliment. Should I get matching socks too?
No thanks. I don't need you copying my style.
Should you try it on?
Should I?
Mia, we literally came here to shop.
True. Okay, I'll try it on.
I'll be here, judging other sweaters and ranking them.
Please don't bully the clothes.
No promises.
So, how does it look? Be honest.
Wow.
Wow. Good or wow. Interesting?
Wow, you look amazing. That kind.
Really?
Really. You look cozy and gorgeous at the same time.
Cozy and gorgeous? That's high praise.
I only speak the truth.
Okay, fine. I love it. I'm getting it. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's find you something.
Do I have to?
Yes. You always wear the same 3 shirts.
They're comfortable. Comfort is important.
Comfort is good, but variety is also important.
I disagree. My shirts and I have a strong bond.
Well, I'm breaking that bond today.
I'm scared. Truly.
Don't worry. I'll make you cool.
I thought I was already cool.
You are, but you can be even cooler.
I feel like this is a trap.
It's not. I promise. Now come on, let's check that rack over there.
The one with all the bright colors?
Yep.
Oh no. I knew this day would come.
Don't be dramatic. Just try a few things. You might surprise yourself.
Or I'll surprise you by looking ridiculous.
If you do, I'll still love you.
Fine, but I'm choosing something not neon.
Deal. Now let's start before you run away.
How about this jacket?
Ooh, that one looks nice. Try it on.
So, how do I look?
Oh, that actually looks really good on you.
Actually? What do you mean by actually?
I mean, better than I expected. You know, sometimes jackets look different on the hanger.
Wow. Thanks for the overwhelming confidence.
I'm serious. It fits really well on your shoulders.
Yeah, it does feel pretty comfortable.
And the color suits you. It makes you look more stylish.
Are you saying I wasn't stylish before?
You were, in your own unique way.
That sounds like an insult disguised as a compliment.
Maybe a little, but I really do like it on you. You look handsome.
Well, if you say so, then I guess I'm buying it.
Already decided?
Yup. Compliments from you are rare. I have to take advantage of the moment.
Ooh, let's check out shoes before we go.
You already have like 10 pairs.
And? Shoes are never enough.
I'll never understand.
You don't have to. Just support me.
Fine. Which ones do you like?
These. But I don't know which color.
Get the beige ones. They match everything.
Good point. I'll take them.
That was fast.
When it comes to shoes, I'm very decisive.
Are you sure you don't want to try them on first?
I already know my size.
You didn't even sit down.
I trust my instincts.
What if they don't fit?
Then I'll make you return them for me.
Wow. I feel honored.
You should. This is a very important job.
So, are we finally done shopping?
For now, yes.
For now. Scares me.
Relax. I'm hungry anyway.
Of course you are.
Shoe shopping always makes me hungry.
Fine. Let's get food before you find another store.